Everyone, good morning. Welcome back in the topic AP. And today, the thing what we are going to discuss is nothing but three terms of AP. This is one of the very important part of the topic. Three terms of AP. To mark it as important, Abhi, this is really very interesting. So three terms of AP. If I talk about AP, normally we write AP as A as a first term, A plus D as a second term, and A plus 2D as a third term, and so on. This is the way how we write AP. But in the question, in case if you get the three terms of AP, just say it is there as example. If you get three terms or maybe especially four terms, if you get, then while taking AP, you should not choose the AP in this manner. We must choose the AP in this manner. A minus D, A and A plus D when it comes to three terms. Okay, four terms we'll discuss later on. But right now let's understand. It is three terms of the AP, right? Getting it? Why we have to do that? That you will understand in short. Okay, so instead of taking, remember A plus D and A plus 2D, we are taking in this manner. Okay, and of course these are in AP. Fine. So remember, note it down somewhere in your notebook. Find sum of first three terms of the AP. Oh, sorry. Sum of first three terms of an AP is minus 3. Minus 3 is sum of first three terms. So let those terms be this. Let those terms be A minus D, A and A plus D. So their addition, that means A minus D plus A plus D, their addition is equals to minus 3. I hope you understand the D's get cancelled and I get 3A is equals to minus 3. So A will be equal to minus 1. देखो, as we are taking these terms, we are able to cancel directly the D value. Okay, and that's the reason why we take AP in this manner. Okay, and which makes the things very easy. Next one, and their product is 8. There in sense all these terms ka product. So we have A minus D, A into A plus D is equals to 8. So what we have is nothing but if I multiply these two, it is A square minus D square into A is equals to 8. A value I can put as minus 1. So I get minus 1 the whole square is 1 minus D square into minus 1 is equals to 8. Shifting minus 1 the other side I get minus 8. So 1 minus D square is equals to minus 8. Minus D square is equals to, if I shift to 1 also that side I get minus 8 minus 1 which is minus 9. Minus get cancelled. D square is equals to 9. What is D is equals to? Of course plus or minus 3. Whenever it is algebra you have to write plus or minus 3. Geometry you can take only plus 3. Okay. So I have A value, I have D value. Now I can get the three terms. So the three terms are, okay, or you can say that those terms are A minus D. So now we have two values. So I can go for D is equals to 3. Okay, two values. A is going to remain as minus 1. So for D is equals to 3, what will be the first term? It is A minus D. So minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 it would be minus 4 will be your first term, minus 1 will be your next term, and minus 1 plus 3 is nothing but 2 would be your last term. So these are the two terms, these are the three terms which are required here. And for D is equals to minus 3. Minus 3 also is the value. So D is equals to minus 3. If I put, what do I get? Let us see. Minus 3. Minus 1 minus of minus 3. Minus 1 plus 3. So it would be 2. Minus 1 of course. And minus 1 and plus of minus 3. So it will be minus 4. So these are the OR terms. So it's the same thing basically. 4 minus 1 2 or 2 minus 1 minus 4. Okay. So both these are nothing but AP. Different APs. Maybe the values are same, maybe the terms are same, but APs are different. Okay, because see, the first term is minus 4 here the first term is 2, here the D is 3, here D is minus 3. So it is completely different AP, and both you have to write to get the perfect full marks of the question. Clear? So it's very simple as we see. Okay, I'll just erase it and we'll go for the next one. Next one, I think something is wrong in it, some error है, but ठीक है, हम लोग एटलीस्ट इक्वेशन बना के सॉल्व तो करेंगे. जब जहाँ तक एरर आता है तब तक सॉल्व करते हैं. आई थिंक देयर इज सम एरर इन द क्वेश्चन. तो लेट्स सी. Okay, find the first three terms of the AP. So that is sure. Okay, let those terms be a minus d, a and a plus d. Sorry, a plus d. Right. And sum of first three terms. So sum would be, so a minus d plus a plus d is going to be equal to 28, and the d and d get cancelled. So 3a is equals to 28, right? So a will be equal to 28 upon 3, and which is not divisible, and that's the problem. Anyway, next जो condition है, तो product of first and third term, this is the first term, this is the third term, product of it, so it would be a minus d into a plus d exceeds equal to sign. The second term is a by 6, so it is by 6. Okay, so that is very simple. A value you can put, it would be a square minus d square is going to be a plus 6. Okay, a square either I can shift the other side and then you can put, or directly also I can put. Would be better if I shift the other side. So minus d square is equals to a plus 6 minus a square. So minus d square is equals to a is 28 by 3 plus 6 minus a square is 28 the whole square by 3. Okay, so that is a bit confusing. 28 the whole square by 9. Okay, fine. So 28 by 3 plus 6 9s are 54 by 3, 54 by 9 minus 28 square क्या आता है, 28 का स्क्वायर क्या आता है, 678 कुछ तो आता है, I don't know, 684 or 784 I think. 729 is 29 square, 684 then, 684 I think upon 9. Anyway, we can solve this, but why I'm not interested in solving it completely, because I know that you won't get a perfect square answer, and as it is you get the d value under root, and which won't give you directly those three sums. So there is some error. Yes, 28 के वैल्यू में कुछ तो कुछ error है, I'm not getting that, but ठीक है, right now एटलीस्ट इक्वेशन बना के रूट में तो आंसर आप लोग लिख सकते हो. दैट्स इट. तो ए एंड डी की वैल्यू फाइंड करके रख लो. फिनिश्ड. दैट्स इट. फाइन. आगे बढ़ते. सेम काइंड ऑफ सम. एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल आर इन एपी. भाई एंगल कितने होते हैं ट्रायंगल के लिए? 3 एंगल होते हैं. सो दैट्स द सेम थिंग. इफ आई से दैट इट इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ 3 टर्म्स, देन आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, इजंट इट? सो एंगल्स, लेट दोज एंगल्स बी angles B. Okay, what those angles be? A minus D, है ना? A and A plus D. If there are angle of triangle, then their sum would be equal to 180. So A minus D plus A plus D is going to be equal to 180 degree. So 3A is equals to 180 as regular. So A will be equal to 60 degree. So one angle I got it. Another one, the condition, the smallest angle is 3 times the larger angle. This is the smallest angle and this is the largest angle. Smallest angle is 3 times the larger angle. Okay, यही problem है. Largest angle is 3 times the smaller angle. So largest angle is 3 times the smaller. Largest angle कौन सा है? A plus D, which is 3 times the smaller angle, into bracket A minus D. So we have here A plus D is equal to 3A minus 3D. Okay, or you can put the value of A. A will be shift here. So I get minus 2A is equal to minus 4D. And then minus minus gets cancel. So we have 2 into 60, 120 divided by 4 is equals to D. So D will be equal to 30. And there is no plus or minus concept here. तो d will be equal to 30, तो I can easily find out the angles. So therefore the terms are a minus d, मतलब 60 minus 30 is 30, then a, that is 30, sorry 60, and then a plus d, that is 90, and these are the terms. Clear? That's it. I don't think this is very difficult, isn't it? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. अरे हाँ, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन भी तो है. ये इजी है. If you are able to do directly also we can do, or with 3 terms of AP also we can do. Make the required change in the question number 3, because there is small error in it. Prove that the sum of 3 terms of an AP is thrice the middle term. So if I take those terms be a minus d, a and a plus d, sum of it would be equal to, sum is going to be equal to a minus d plus a plus d. That is going to be equal to dd get cancel 3a. 3 is nothing but middle term, a is nothing but middle term, 3 into middle term. ठीक है. और एल्स आप लोग ये सेम क्वेश्चन एज इट इज़ ईजी, आप ए प्लस डी एंड ए प्लस 2d से भी कर सकते हो, एज एडिंग ऑल द टर्म्स. सम इज गोइंग टू बी इक्वल टू ए 3a plus 3d, which can be 3 into a plus d, that is 3 into middle term. Okay, both the ways the things are possible. That's it. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now here is nothing but SN concept. Okay, from today actually I wanted to start with this. One more part of HOTS is left. That means we haven't completed that before SN. But I thought SN के HOTS and AN के HOTS together we can take. So they would be सेम थिंग है ना. SN फटाफट से कंप्लीट कर देते हैं, 2 दिन में SN कंप्लीट हो जाता है. ओके, लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट मोर टाइम ऑन दिस नाउ, बिकॉज now you have understood the concept, you have got the what is AP is, and now just one need to know the formula and how to put it. Okay, तो SN का मतलब क्या होता है सबसे पहले देखते हैं. if you have AP like जैसे 1 4 7 10 dash 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 till कुछ number like 78 and all, तो what is SN? SN is equals to 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus dash 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 plus 78. That means all these numbers addition is nothing but called as a SN. Okay, that is called as SN, addition of all that. Okay, n for the number of term, the n SN is n for the number of term. So if I say that I want S4 of this particular AP, then it will be 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10, S4, 4 terms ka addition. Okay, got it. Remember, S3 is going to be equal to 1 plus 4 plus 7. You cannot add S3 as 4 plus 7 plus 10. Okay, this is completely wrong. S3, this is correct. That means the sum should be taken from the first term. Remember, sum, that is SN, should be taken from the first term of the AP, not somewhere in between. So the formula that what we have for SN is not from the between or from anywhere of the AP. It is always and always from the first term of the AP. Okay, so keep that in mind. That is very very important and necessary to understand before we learn the formula. तो फॉर्मूला क्या है? वेरी सिंपल. जैसे AN का फॉर्मूला है वैसे SN का भी है. इसका डेरिवेशन है, लेकिन डेरिवेशन हम लोग नहीं लेने वाले. लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम. तो SN इज इक्वल्स टू n/2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2a plus n-1 into d. n/2 is nothing but the number of term by 2 into bracket 2a. बाकी it is similar to the our AN formula, जो अपना AN formula जैसा ही है. बस AN formula क्या है? a plus n-1 into d है. ये SN है, बस that's it. तो वो भी लिख लेता हूँ मैं ऊपर, so that you remember that AN is equals to a plus n-1 into d. तो ये आपका AN का फॉर्मूला और ये SN का. You can check the difference. गलती से there can be this can happen from my side also. It might happen while solving the question that this instead of writing 2a, we have a habit of writing AN, so we write only A, and really great mistake people do there. Okay, even after doing everything correct, answer is getting 0 mark because formula itself has gone wrong. So keep in mind that whenever it is SN, there is a 2a. Okay, make sure that you mention accordingly. Anyway, आगे बढ़ते हैं. थोड़ा सा इस फॉर्मूला को ना स्प्लिट करते हैं. लाइक SN is equals to n/2 into bracket इस 2a को कैन आई राइट एज a प्लस ऐसे. ओके, सो दिस फॉर्मूला हैज बीन स्प्लिट इन दिस मैनर. चेक करो, a plus a is 2a. Okay, now you can easily get that कि this is a plus, ये जो left out part है that is an itself, so it is an. Okay, now this time it is an is not a general term, it means to say that the last term, the an means the last term. तो यही फॉर्मूला हम लोग कुछ इस प्रकार लिखते हैं, we write in this manner a plus l, this is the formula. So here we have the two formulae of Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the basic formula where we take the a and d value, the right hand and left hand of the AP, and then we use the same thing. Same an का जो जैसा है वैसे ही इसमें भी है, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम दूसरा जो फॉर्मूला है, व्हेन वी हैव द लास्ट टर्म वी कैन यूज दैट. व्हेन लास्ट टर्म इज गिवन, then you can use this formula, especially for that case it is, and this gives you easily answer. Of course this also will give you the same answer, but it saves the time. So we have two formula of Sn, and it's basically a same formula, but we converted that into two formula. Okay, clear? So this two formula you can mention, baki things will just erase it of Sn. So chalo, let's start. Find first 20 sums of the AP. So n is equals to 20, a is equals to 1 and d is equals to 4 minus 1 मतलब 3. पुट कर दिया. अभी Sn का फॉर्मूला लिखो. Sn is equals to n by 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. 2a है ये, a नहीं है. n by 2 मतलब 20 by 2, 2 इंटू 1 प्लस 19, जो जैसे हम लास्ट टाइम करते थे. 20 है तो 19 होगा. d is 3, तो इट विल बी 10 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2 प्लस 19 3 सा 57, 59 एंड 590. दैट्स इट. सो वेरी सिंपल, डोंट यू थिंक सो? वही है जो हम an के लिए करते थे, वही सब करना है. फाइंड सम ऑफ n टर्म्स, मतलब यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू नहीं दी है. विदाउट पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ n आई एम सपोज टू सॉल्व दैट. बाकी बेसिकली सब कुछ वही करना है, तो मैं यही स्टेप लिखता हूँ. Sn इज इक्वल्स टू n बाई 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2 इंटू 1 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. So that this will remain as it is into bracket 2 plus 3n minus 3. So n by 2 into bracket 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So 3n minus 1. Okay. This also you can write as Sn. If you still want to simplify, I can write as 3n square by 2 minus n by 2. अभी कैसे आया? Multiplying this by this term and then by this term. ठीक है, क्लियर? और व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस? जैसे जनरल टर्म होता है an का, हमने जनरल टर्म का यूज़ किया था, यू रिमेंबर दैट. सेम वे जनरल सम है ये, दिस इज अ जनरल सम. अभी ये जो हमने n इज इक्वल टू 20 जो किया, सेम है AP सेम है. तो इफ आई पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज इक्वल टू 20 हियर इन दिस स्टेप, आई विल गेट द आंसर 590. ओके, तो चेक करते हैं. इट्स इजी थिंग, आई विल डू इट. तो S20 इज इक्वल टू 20 by 2 मतलब 10 इंटू ब्रैकेट 3 इंटू 20 कितना आता है? 60. 60 माइनस 1 59. तो ये आएगा 590. देखा? तो दिस इज नथिंग बट कॉल्ड एज जनरल सम. इफ आई टेक 1 टर्म 2 टर्म्स, एज आई वांट आई कैन टेक द सम ऑफ इट. ठीक है. बाकी इसका यूज़ हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे. द nth टर्म ऑफ द AP देखो कितना अभी हमने डिस्कस किया, वही आ गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, nth टर्म ऑफ एन AP, an nth टर्म, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, इज इक्वल टू 2n प्लस 1. तो what I can use or what I can do using this? Using this I can do anything with the AP. This is as I said mirror of the AP, heart of the AP. तो यही है वो heart. तो इसको करना क्या है? A1 पुट करो तो 2 into 1 plus 1 तो it will be 3. A2 पुट करो 2 into 2 plus 1 5. It is 5. A3 if I check 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7. ठीक है, तो I have AP. So it means A is equals to, the AP gives me A is equals to 3 and D is equals to 5 minus 3 2. अभी Sn फाइंड करना है. Sn क्या आता है? n by 2, याद आना चाहिए फॉर्मूला, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. तो we have n by 2 which remain as it is. 2a is 6 plus n minus 1 because I don't have to put the value of n there. D is 2. तो we have n by 2 into bracket 6 plus 2n minus 2. देखो समझ में आ गया ना? n by 2 into bracket 6 minus 2 4, तो 2n प्लस 4 आगे आंसर. इफ यू वांट मी टू मल्टीप्लाई तो इट वुड बी लाइक 2n square upon 2 plus 4n by 2 which can be further get cancel, तो it will be n square plus 2n. ये रहा मेरा Sn. ओके तो Sn आ गया. इसका मतलब आप लोग अभी सपोज आपको 100 टर्म का सम चाहिए तो S100 फाइंड कर सकते हो बाय पुटिंग 100 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 100 इन दिस वे. ओके तो इट इज़ बेसिकली जनरल सम इटसेल्फ. ठीक है ना. तो इसको एरेज करते हैं. एंड फिर फोर्थ क्वेश्चन आप लोग खुद से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ईजी है, बहुत सिंपल है. आप लोग क्विकली यू कैन गेट दैट. बट हाँ वन थिंग इज देयर कि वहाँ पे S24 दिया, मतलब n इज इक्वल टू 24 दिया. an दिया हुआ है. an दिया है तो an से क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? an से सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. तो a1 इज इक्वल टू 7, a2 इज इक्वल टू 2, 4, 9, a3 ज़रूरत नहीं है, फिर भी हम लोग फाइंड कर रखते हैं. 3 2 6 प्लस 7 सॉरी 6 प्लस 5 11 हो गया. That's it. So we have a is equals to 7 and d is equals to 2 and we get this. But S24 फाइंड करना है, मतलब पहले Sn फाइंड करते हैं. What is Sn? n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. अभी पुट करते हैं. S24 क्या आएगा? n by 2 मतलब 24 by 2 12 into bracket 2a मतलब 14 plus n minus 1 मतलब 23 है ना, into d is 2. तो आप लोग इसको इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो एंड गेट द आंसर. ओके पहले इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, फिर ऐड करो, फिर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12 करो. हाँ सम है तो द कैलकुलेशन वुड बी बिट लेंदी, बिट लॉन्ग, बट नॉट डिफिकल्ट, ईजी है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, सेकेंड टर्म ऑफ एन AP इज 2. देखो यहाँ तक तो आपको समझ में आ गया, मतलब हम फॉर्मूला यूज़ कर रहे हैं एंड एट द सेम टाइम an एंड Sn का कॉम्बिनेशन भी कर रहे हैं. तो दिस इज द सेम थिंग, an एंड Sn का कॉम्बिनेशन है ये. ओके लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सेकेंड टर्म ऑफ एन AP इज 2. सेकेंड टर्म मतलब क्या दिया है? a2 इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड सेवन्थ टर्म इज 22, मतलब a7 इज इक्वल टू 22. इसका मतलब क्या आता है? a प्लस डी. इसका मतलब क्या था? a प्लस 6d. What this can give me? Easily I can get a and d, isn't it? Just by subtracting. तो subtract करते हैं, माइनस माइनस माइनस. ठीक है. तो what do I get? A get cancel, minus 5d is equal to minus 20. d will be equal to 4. a will be equal to minus 2. Once I got a and d, I can easily find S30. बराबर है ना? है ना? करेक्ट है. सिंपल है, बहुत बहुत सिंपल है. ज़्यादा कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है इसमें. तो बस आज के लिए इतना ही. ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं था. कल से हम Sn को और अच्छे से करेंगे. तो थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय. सी यू टुमारो.